Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what actually fits inside this camera bag. It's gonna be really quick because this thing is super, super tiny. Like I said, there is a section in there that you can go ahead and just put the three, like card slots. So you can put more cards if you want to. Now, in this bag, you can go ahead and fit, this is an iPhone, right? XR. So I'm gonna go and show you how that looks. And it pretty much takes up half the bag already. And then I have a Chanel, like a little card case. I put my keys in here and stuff. So, yes. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have a really cute, super small hand sanitizer, I think I can make it work, but I can't really guarantee it. And I am kind of cringing at the thought of the hand sanitizer being super tight and like popping in there somewhere. But yeah, okay. So that's pretty much it. Like you guys can see, phone, card case, and hand sanitizer. And I'm going to go ahead and just close it up. And you guys can already see how like puffy it is and like how tight it already is. And I don't like to do that on bags because sometimes they leave mark after a while, especially if it gets really, really puffy. And I don't like when it does and has indentations and stuff. But that's it. I mean, that's, if you want, you can go ahead and just take out your phone. I like to keep it in my bag though, just to protect it. But yeah, you guys can say we're having a hard time with it. But there is a back pocket, like I said. So if you want, you can tuck it in like that. I think that's so strange, but some people like it. I guess the convenience of, grabbing it in and out and stuff. So that's what it looks like on there. You guys can see. But it is like really tight. Now, if you did that and put your phone on top, here's another card case that I carry, which is my Bottega. And you guys can already see it's done. Like I can't even fit another card case in there. So I know that that's the whole purpose of having the card slots in there. That way you don't have to carry like another card case. But it's just nice because I like to be able to grab that and then just use that in case I'm at the store or something instead of having to kind of dig in here. So that's pretty much all that you can fit. I really love the way it looks though. And like I said, if you're like an essentials type of person or necessities, just a phone, you got a card case. You can even take your cards out and just stick it in the bag. And then your hand sanitizer, you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it with my cute little lip balm. See if that will work. I feel like I'm playing some kind of Tetris. And yeah, see, even with the lip balm, guys, it's full. So that's not going to work. And pretty much, yeah. So you got your phone, your card case, and if you're lucky enough, you can fit like a hand sanitizer or a lipstick. And that's pretty much everything that's going to fit into this bag. So I hope that you guys like how I kind of demonstrated how tight it is in there. And thanks.